Hey guys, it's Gina. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. So, as I told you, we are doing a challenge, eating healthier, meal prepping, really focusing on that. Trying to do some low carb days, which are a little hard, but if you can always look and see, just check on the back of foods before you eat them. Not doing all low carb days, so weekends we're able to be a little more flexible, but including workouts and meal prep. So I'm making eggs, and then let's see, over on the other side of the kitchen here, and we've got all these fun containers. I love these little containers. There is bacon, and I'll put the eggs on the other side. That is all my husband's, my breakfast for the next 5 days. So we're off to a good start. Let me know how you're doing on the diet. Hopefully we'll get in a workout together tonight after work, and comment below. Hope you're doing good with the challenge till Father's Day. Bye.